Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is XT Juice. Tinya yɛla ban ʒini zuŋɔ ni ti zaŋ bɔli laba ni yɛ jamsiya ki diri danfaani. Yon Sharif.
Yo, boss.
A kana ti lihi din na recent days ŋɔ din na zɔriginda. Real Madrid nyɛla ban endiri season maa yaa with 0 trophies. Bɛ lan chanila trophyless season ŋɔ. A kpaŋmi puuni problem maa nyɛla coaches maa sani ka di yiri bee players maa sani ka di yira.
Okay, to changbana po to wumde ba ban nan ka tar ka wumde to program always. Ko ko kar kema always ni ba entria quality content always. One ka to Real Madrid channel trophyless. There are never la nyala ban chan trophyless. No, this is the first time they are going.
No, last season I was.
Last season last season after last season rap for la Super Cup.
Super Cup.
Mbappe first trophy in that.
No, last season's man that.
How many seasons can Mbappe in Madrid? Season 1 part or 2. So first season man win la trophy.
Amira Umi akaba in the trophyless cup.
No, man Nirvin Yarloma doesn't make it right because that Super Cup man is somehow a curtain raiser. But the guys that had trophy, a serious trophy, but because that's not Nigeria.
The Kubiam can maybe community shield.
No, it's bigger than community shield. UEFA Super Cup is bigger than community shield. Because champions of UEFA Champions League winner, the Europa League winner, you get it. But my Premier League one, then Community Shield, la Premier League winner and FA Cup winner, Banninger Community Shield.
Yeah.
So somehow the man bet Baka Premier League playing Champions League.
No, for sure.
So and FA Cup Bakari playing Europa League, Ankara trophy ka value shield in Berupune. So Super Cup is bigger than Community Shield. So it's a serious trophy. So Real Madrid have a chance trophyless last season because we are a Super Cup before Canan Chala Club World Cup. So season 1 year first trophyless season. No, but I actually want to say how Madrid that chance trophyless last season. No, I don't support that because actually la Super Cup is not.
Maybe we can do la cup ma be trophies ni.
How I wish Arsenal them Madrid. Actually can.
No, Arsenal ma buka La Liga be
140 years team kabakala in la trophy, so it's not a small trophy.
No, man,
so Real Madrid challenge la trophyless
for sure.
Season 1.
For sure.
That one there is an established fact, and that's very bad because Real Madrid, almighty Real Madrid, the season to kunara the trophy shanga won't compete is a loserly because not entirely because La Liga una. To another open in a way, but it's all down to and you in the lab 50-50 because you need to give blame my part and the players man a greater percentage and the management man no coach me no the assistant no but president man me no staff man Bannon will take a blame man not the manager. I don't see any reason why Katian blame the coach of Real Madrid. We should be blaming the president because the man will make some decisions. Then Zahan to buy and check Real Madrid and this trophyless season. Because Ankara started with Xabi Alonso. At the end of the day, I choose the players ego over coach man. What do you expect? So Xabi Alonso Carman that the start of a downfall. Between Arbelo and Xabi Alonso, we need to manage the pressure. So that was very wrong on the part of Florentino Perez, la Real Madrid president. Sacking Xabi Alonso was a very big mistake we make. Only that choose la players ego. Players have me and choose ahead of Xabi Alonso. Banning me under Arbelo, and you are still going that top season. So if there should be a blame out to the players, the president, younger. But I don't see any reason why we should be blaming the managers because after expecting that below in the middle of the season and win La Liga, then win the Champions League. Experience them local experience. And so it's all down to the two sides, man. And Madrid players, season they are not living up to standards. But Zabane, trying to point fingers at each other. But will concentrate much to play the football.
Because Ankara Tele, fans ma yaram Karamala, Mbappe Dana Kudwane. bra ku winner la machine ma. But I don't think no yisim karamala ira bu winda winner shama bu blan winner la. I don't know whether I mean Vinicius like we merit selfish be like what I can hear ma. Be like full squad ma but like problem with each other.
No problem Jenny. And the man have a fighter la manage the face of the project. Ever since Mbappe ne kana Madrid ten la face of the project ma karpata Mbappe zo ngar Vinicius. And Mbappe he has been living up to standard because Antonio can never blame Mbappe. Though if Mbappe had problem with ego, Manisal comes and hammer low personal problem. But Ocean Park man, I don't know as a player. He has been scoring the goals. Mbappe need the goal chance season or Vinicius in the half of it. Probably Madrid in a trophy.
Mag Michel naka goals man kunya.
Goals man yeah. Them goals win.
Maybe do goals ka like captain book para.
Goals man and win a games man. Games in win a trophy man. So if Carriera one man soldier, one player is doing all the work. Until you'll be having problems. And Blaven man, they could be having between Mbappe and Vinicius Junior, Jude Bellingham, and partially Valverde. But claimera supremacy, near the face of Real Madrid project. The means I have balls down to the president man. Check out the
Okay.
or massage your players my ego, and that's wrong. You should be professional. Stand on your feet.
Atakana tele adere to wundu nguma dere ma ya to wundu nguma karamala uba be invala coach ka even ba ka unit and short list na mina no Mourinho ba mi yela ngumbi be short list na map funi akwa mu fun Mourinho ni ka te diba den to champion yanga taba
Ma nzo initial benda afin hayo Brian interim manager no take la keka season ngoma nani. So maybe Brafum Malala plans of getting a permanent manager at the end of season one. So shortlist the map with me. Managers and the special one is one of them.
Mourinho.
Jose Mourinho. How can it will work? Jose Mourinho, I'm a fan of Mourinho, frankly speaking. I'm a fan of Mourinho because no matter who la ego. So the main Madrid team man be the Barako so stand on all grounds. Get to face players man with those ego man because Mourinho had all manage players because Mario Balotelli man Mario Balotelli no problems as Mourinho manage all those kind of people. Man. So who is Vinicius and Cook and Mourinho to manage? Mourinho to manage the ego no matter and they all I'm maga shaku maga man. So sometimes they check teams need their experienced managers man. Because you need an experienced manager. Managers who play no good on Karambani. And Jose Mourinho is one of them. Madrid team man, who are you guys no Karambani? We know first champions like Abana Badwa Vinicius Junior. We know first champions like Abana Badwa Kylian Mbappe. So Boka is for this kind of person. So Jose Mourinho being the manager of Real Madrid on solve so many problems. But so that not like clever of bringing Hansi Flick. Hansi Flick experience ma then Paka Lamine Yamal na performer up to date. Because experience ma bien me Lamine Yamal ego no para dem bekaula. He knows the CV of Hansi Flick. So I could to misbehave. So Madrid the two example coach so a bigger CV. Mangwa left me alone. Even though Zidane won't put me close my and coach at France. But then your coach who manage the egos and to pass Zidane. Don't want never near because then maybe they enjoy a lot of football in the 2000s. That Zidane only egos manage and Georgian club, but he's one of the names yang Madrid ne mention because Madrid team man the management are eyeing for Georgian club, but they are waiting for Georgian club showing interest. Come on, no coach be no coach. But any of those, but Mourinho, he's coming back. So he's coming back. So him coming back will be a very good addition to Real Madrid, considering the normal internal problems. The best person to solve Jose Mourinho. So it's a good thing.
Can't ma coach ma building a two chance. We have like Pogba and Bishao.
he should be an assistant manager. Be kuna chance to build the experience. Sometimes these bigger jobs, man, they can manage with bigger pressure. Pressure, man, me anka the experience too much. I go to manage la pressure, man, and then I'm below. Pressure, man, is too much. Being the coach of Real Madrid, it's not an easy thing. The name Marco Garvin, you are the coach of Real Madrid. That name to Conco, then you have a bigger tension on you. So the need coaches to manage those kind of pressures, man. And Mourinho is absolutely a great candidate for that.
Okay, don't watch. I can't tell Premier League. Premier League didn't do money because City ran here about win about standing match man. Ka lead the table man. Arsenal was in here jibu Newcastle 1-0. Ka gola here lead the table man. Akwa mu funi. Didn't change man. Arsenal I trust by that. Bung league man.
Arsenal, ndashin chongo no Arsenal, congratulations. Kakula yin zungo. Congratulations. Arsenal will future Pabila in their own hands. Because Acto this bigger advantage because it got to a point Arsenal lead the table by 9 points or so.
Sure, yeah.
So Wula Karaku and yet we are in a loggerheads with Guardiola in the last minutes of the season. Guardiola, how come Guardiola lose match? Even though football, when in a game of football, anything can happen. But then the Pagongo, Guardiola will make mistakes. Guardiola will lose their matches. The mean the same points, goal difference. You don't have players abandoned to the goals, young man. Because Akara and checking when and dribble can score. Because you are playing around.
Answer to the when we play Swaship and yeah, don't so Arsenal.
Maybe they're doing it down.
Okay,
They're doing it down. Because this kind of things, man, politically motivated in generation. But I have been shot. A player like Eberechi Eze one day down.
And also
Big Kai Harvest. Because right now, at the last minute of the game, pressure is mounting up. And Kai Harvest means you're a player, so melt that experience, no to soak that pressure. And he's a big game player. Antonio Dunental recently start through ahead of Eucharist because of the pressure, man. Although we stand more than Eucharist because Kai Havertz more Premier League experience than Eucharist. The world Kai Havertz is a better striker than Eucharist. But at this time, you need everybody. Team, I need everybody. And build up play, my Eucharist to contribute to the match in the build up play. Then Taraka will use Kai Havertz. So Benchadun could come at Kai Havertz, be as it will hugely affect Arsenal. But me, Nsanye down saying, so if Kala downs my and serious injuries, that would be a very big blow for Arsenal. But Premier League title race at this point, you say history, then Guardiola will win the Premier League. But anything that happens, we are there. Liverpool fan, then want them to qualify for championship. Whoever wins the Premier League is up to Okpam.
The money opportunity top 4.
And then Sheila Man Yuga. It's just a matter of time.
So like he said, 3-1. Wow.
Then Sheila Man, you just
man, you next match. The man will mean list. No, sorry, we been banning. So ma do in a
Sheila Man.
You mean by me next?
The mean man you na mala match.
Go home in temper.
You win them.
Castellan you down.
Just calm down.
Okay.
As I'm your VS no sadi posha. Calm down.
Shabab say no malam goal man.
I don't think Imam goal. A goal is a goal.
Okay, I can't tell you. Will you be surprised? Like City be quite terrible season. Will you be surprised?
Absolutely no. When you're City coach, man, he's Guardiola, an already proven manager. I City in a quadruple, can surprise Sharon Kunya. Even though let's be realistic. England's are hang way before the season. Team didn't be formed. Arsenal be formed in the start. Man, you didn't use the start, but first 5 games of Liverpool that win that and do first. And people were saying Liverpool and win La Premier League. At the end of the day, Liverpool in the Premier League. So season the whole of Premier League, my teams can form. Everybody is just playing. Because sooner before they tell me why come you do Nyasa Highland to do third in the Premier League. It doesn't make sense.
Mommy, man, you break matches mirror, but like, but yeah, well, other ka bihi maa ni so maybe ban ku nyɛla Premier League maa kunku ka ban ku pali ŋmɛra.
So when
So
that
maybe
for
they
24 days, my draft away. So sometimes that happen my back advantage in the people see it to be advantage, but advantage in the So Premier League my season was so the man teams mazaha the car form them. We are waiting for next season. So Man City winning treble, 3 trophies, domestic treble. That will be man sure now na pam so that Guardiola chanka so that can compete.
Mo be next season na win.
No, but Guardiola munde be nye greedy person. Munde win treble to no pass on.
So akpambo funny. Oh, win treble man. Is it that like Premier League teams man? Be like okunyang bomb.
Premier League team mbami. Guardiola is a master tactician, and he's been proving it. On change man, more problem. O problem Barcelona first, ka problem Bayern Munich, ka Catalan problem England. So Guardiola didn't the best league in the world. Guardiola can't for Premier League, but 4 times in a row, and I think unprecedented. So this is a manager who prove so many years. So on Premier League season, that would be 7 out of 10.
Just imagine.
So
now the Lampard best in the league,
best league in the world.
Yeah.
No, right now we are still the best league in the world because we still have the best teams, more big teams that are other leagues. So I'm being considered the best league. Go to La Liga. Season no compare them for Madrid, Barcelona. Simple. Go to League One. Them for Paris. Then Paris. They got one super team. Shall from some wonders. Go to Italy. Donc, so Sango ka Italy ba pa livre up to standard because you see Napoli winning, Inter Milan winning, season 1 year what Pamda and the AC Milan win. Whoever wins, Sango competition pa biela Serie A man go to Germany. So Sango anda ko you in the Premier League is still the best league because no matter the level of competition man have a high gap in other leagues man. But Guardiola ni yala man that time. Guardiola winning a treble so I'm abasa in champ finals.
Yeah,
Waiting for
final.
Leeds United meet Chelsea match Bazuma. So whoever wins will go to the final. But Chelsea not champ finals until the Leeds champ.
For sure, actually,
And I'm sure Chelsea new manager bounce man. It will help them because players man they will play. The England will value. So I'm sure Chelsea by in champ finals.
Okay, I can't tell Chelsea. Brian Yelaban Karabu coach. Senior man, they were Bono. Ka be shortlist beza
Professor Rose.
Okay, Professor Rose. Ka we beza send you shortlist bi yara ne gina karamala bi yara Frank Lampard itwa. Akon pour Frank Lampard. En tout cas, ils ont Chelsea non bon bar mishawa.
Chelsea never define bon bar mishawa. Chelsea never define because and you the owners who are the
Bugara trophies.
Bangala
Bugara coaching can't some trophies.
No, they are not doing that. But they are not doing that.
So I want to win Kafu.
And Kat will from both transfer Shabam maker, the kind of coaches Shabam hire, be decision Shabam maker. The war and they are playing to win a trophy. Also, like I encourage a winning mentality coach like Enzo Maresca, Kazan Senior Rosna, and Professor Rosna. Professor Rose, Bogono special. Opola Strasbourg from 13th to 7th in the League One. That's all. I carry players who and coach who chant the champions of Europe. Got for Club World Cup because I'm this kind of manager. So you are not playing to win trophies. But Besakali and Rosinia, that's a good move because no matter prof that one no OGT match or chapeau because after lose a match in the 9 minutes, and I have love letters. I don't know what
love letters.
So because boss
apology letters,
apology love letters can you are losing the game at the 9 minutes. Can I several letters?
Man, lose it to apologize to fans.
It's a good thing because all standard that from the San Chelsea, no manage Chelsea. All standard that never no manage Chelsea because I mean he's Rooney assistant manager and
Rooney. Kula Wayne
Rooney, kula relegation champion.
Yeah.
To me, Rooney assistant da bala ko so and Rooney ka ba my team.
No, ma wumsila bino to guarantee you rapa wumson ko zo
So like I don't just and bound be sharing that influence that decision to hire Rooney.
Ba mo no be sharu ni benang re.
Wo
Because na yo ko ra ko chiri kapjan to zon na. Mo ra ku ni mo ra ku ni ra ma ka ku no de ka ku perform.
Yo ko ba from 13th to 7th in the League 1.
Samo
On ka te ko ba be 13th. Ko zaman na 7th. On nung shalambala in the League 1 who ka Premier League in the League 1.
Me to chan orambala hope that okana ni man go nang be shaw.
So League 1 kutule yardstick to manage a player on
I pa ka be na to time. Be na to 2 seasons ko ka be new on the champion.
This are Chelsea demanya.
No, go Chelsea demanya.
There's no identity. I've watched Chelsea football. There's no identity.
Because first season, man. So
Chelsea, who like Chelsea Premier against Brighton. Chelsea against Brighton. Because Brighton player took when Iran the best player and you are in Brighton. Chelsea for chance to do the likes of Sanchez, them, Caicedo, Cucurella, João Pedro. You are bearing their best players. Can you match 90 minutes against Brighton without any one shot on target? Without any one single shot on target. How reasonable is this? So you go there and Chelsea. So it's a good thing Kabakuro, man. But when coming and replace so Chelsea sang on the two number after the game in the kind of manager no Shabuni and signer. And this Frank Lampard. Forget the fact that Frank Lampard Chelsea legends, Gaza and Coventry qualified in the Premier League. Forget it. Go soon. Frank Lampard to know to coach Chelsea. Chelsea should go and get this young generation of coaches, man. They are not that good, They are not that good because my Fabregas the people share shortlist map. This or all of these coaches, man. Chelsea should go and hire a coach who winning mentality. That coach is me, hire coach to come up movement by can bring your aura into the team. But going back hiring Frank Lampard, he will come back about 2 years. I bet you just now hire Frank Lampard open part 2 seasons and they will sack him. Seriously, open part 2 seasons and they will sack him.
Anto kuyela maybe ko tikana ka karaku changvenga tu.
The performance rate and that Enzo Maresca. So Chelsea, especially this new ownership, man. The performance in the yellow.
Lose coach Jebekala.
Bento to Kujana can play. So Chelsea owners need the right coach where Bonko to control. This is the kind of coach Chelsea need. I could tell you coach man will have a player. Maybe I could tell you this start this to say. The coach man will decisions to. So left to me alone, man, I'm suggesting the Chelsea hire coach who male authority.
Don't want Chelsea to leave Ghana Black Stars.
Coach my authority, and I see Antonio Conte.
Yeah,
Antonio Conte. He's a former manager of Chelsea. Kamal winning mentality, so he will be a great coach. Todd Bowley, team, he could influence Antonio Conte decisions. It's not possible. So that kind of coach is into Chelsea, but if not that, Kablanza help Fabregas, whoever last more new generation of coaches, man. I bet you will in part 2 years. Graham Potter found the man home. I was signed with 5 years contract. Less than a year. They gave him 6 years and a half. Katunya season na pilgrim ho sunsun ka pena kabanaga kablanka. So bunkulanza new smaller new generation of managers, man. The same thing will happen. So they should go and get a manager to mal authority in the dressing room. Because sign quality players. Because Chelsea team have quality because they don't have any player.
Quality level.
They don't have any player.
Seriously.
Yes. Midfield man, when I know you in midfield man, I don't like the make sense. But defenders, man. So how come Chelsea did 2 billion over 2 billion? Because thing year new Shishangambala over 2 billion, and there's no bet defenders who can't talk up pinpoint. Okay, this is a very good defender for Chelsea. The only good defender in the Chelsea setup, Manuel Chalobah, academy product.
Makukurea Bobina.
Hey, sure.
Como kan tu bring ka banya
No, senior man. Cucurella is a very good. He's the best left back in the world. Malaka Chelsea fans were there. But the best left back in the world. Nothing is showing again. And you could João Pedro. Dilap
He just get played.
Dilap is the second striker. Dilap 0 Premier League goal. Premier League tell 4 matches, they 5 matches. Nrenage. Kashia ban striker ma 0 goal.
You Mohammed. Maybe when you second striker man bela.
Yes.
Gan tu no me when you first go perform.
Okay, Teresa. Second striker, but I mean, I'm your second striker, but our team need the right goals from you.
For sure,
Just in the total pass situation, but okay, we can.
I can't tell you so much. I'm Jackson section. I'm also so
Thank you.
I'm a second striker member. Then we need Jackson back.
No, Jackson still need Jackson because Jackson here no mean shout. Even a dead Jackson is better than Zlab. Seriously. Despite the fact Jackson absence man didn't affect the Palmer form my bed. You know what me never accept. Because of Jackson running the hard work shell. That make things easy for Palmer. So Jackson they still have a lot to do. And even have the sporting directors, man, they need to do something about those guys.
Atakana tele swala Liverpool go send win 3-1 against Crystal Palace. Ka Liverpool star Mohamed Salah send win down match ma
Liverpool legend.
Okay, Liverpool legend send win down.
Star man yala Florian.
Okay, for sure. Liverpool legend send win down ba match ma fun. And kan uma yana karama lobeli mi match haran pala mawaza. Odin omi o kanena ko nyila ko katno fans ma good ba win the tab. Ula ka yetu abu amal na ya zanpa Mohamed Salah jini to Liverpool.
Mohamed Salah, what a legend. What a legend. Misha comes and had them by Chilogo the Mala end.
For sure.
And Mohamed Salah is very good, even though the return the last season because last season he had a very fantastic season. But season one, Yalamadi with champion. But even how Yalamadi with champion, Salah Mala goal contribution, Gar Matthias Kuna, he has been playing every day. But Salah Mala goal contribution goal. Even had the young on bad season now. So he's a legend of the game, and will make an impact. And he has created the name for Omama. Ankat will top 10 scorers in the Premier League history. He's one of them. So he's not just a legend for Liverpool only. He's a legend of the Premier League as a whole. And wherever Salah is from now, we are just wishing him the best of luck. That's all we can do. That's all we can do. And I hope Liverpool when so handsomely, they will do something. There was asked about the static to over Anfield Samban.
Come on, club
news because he's a legend.
Absolutely.
And Liverpool is a winner. Because and you goal share Liverpool no consider. The guy Munoz man. Is a disappointment to football. Sometimes let's be serious. So this kind of things, man, referee could go bad because that's not a foul. Keep a man yellow down there. Not just any player who keep a man yellow down there and you are shooting to score. Referee could call it back. Then come about the fair play in football. And Munoz, man, observer is one of the people. Christianity is go because anytime for any kind of park no player, and you did this kind of thing. Yeah, tinye videos ka team could break a channel with the back player dig down ball.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Didn't fair play, man. This is very common. Fair play in football, normal. The keeper you down there and you are shooting to score. That as if you are doing a comeback against who?
Liverpool
empty net and you what's there to show for it? So that was very wrong on the part of Munoz, man. Fair play, brother. Keep on ye dang ma ho. Didn't outfield player and ye dang ba. Normal. But keep on, brother. A game cannot play without a keeper. When I introduce a green card, my question ka Georgian club that gotta stop everything. There was no green card. I ain't Samban and 2 waiting for other minutes. Just un club va la pression. So what if he take keeper la card? Keeper so the engine the teaching goal because without the keeper the game cannot play. So kan hal team the nang substitution na ka keeper te de tanga player yang ba because you need a keeper. Keeper na kan do to ni. So ka keeper te nye down there ka kon na exhibit fair play rule and you shoot to score and you are proud of yourself. It's a disgrace.
La okay, akana tele midweek mo tinye ba my Champions League. PSG bimi Bayern Munich ba example nyor kwata wa semi final. And la game ngunka turn to go through to finals.
Champions League football is back. Semi-finals, finals before finals. Paris versus Bayern Munich. It will be a very interesting match. That match we are warning in a pam. Mana analyze the relation because both teams were had defensive kayala, Kamal strong attack, be sharp attacks. So it will be a very interesting match. And it's a final before finals. And I'm sure whoever win this tie will win the Champions League. I'm sure of that. But Anka two great teams in here against each other, man, and two great coaches because company enjoying Bayern Munich team, man. He has done a very great work. Open Bayern Munich team, man, because Nirban Toyal dominator in the Bundesliga. No, the Bundesliga man can dominator. He was getting to this level in the Champions League, man. The Waram come at the level of consistency Sheldon Bay by Munich team, man. And catch you the players that they have. Beaucoup players, man, they are in form. Because Luis Diaz is in form, cannot to tap problem at any point. Michael Olise can shoot from any angle, and Hurricane whatever need to explain when you so this will be a very good match, and Musiala Balabna in her he's up and running because Warmak Bangman led the Euro through comparing to PSG, Dembele, Kvaratskhelia, Desiree Bakula, Kang In Lee, and Vitinha in Jao Neves near Suma against Joshua Kimmich in Goretzka. So it will be a very interesting match. And me luckily they made first leg and second leg.
Yeah.
So I need more insights about la fixture money and turning out here. Probably shall watch you first leg man. Can you day way they will play each other. Being a game match and big game plan shall manager and money and down now. Maybe don't do help okay, you know. Depending on the way first game will manage and shall this one will qualify. But for now, they are all doing great. Kabisa Bayern Munich Bangwa official, they are champions in the Bundesliga. Paris Bangwa, the number no official. But because it's just a matter of time, the winning. And Paris need to mal squad depth get Bayern Munich. So get to mal coach, more experienced than Bayern Munich. So Anka to you the mala and 36 man a favor la Paris and got Bayern Munich. And Paris team they have been playing together with the coach for a while. So Bernaba Patapam and Vitinha is one of the best midfielders in opposition. Ominjao Neves partnership. So we are just hoping. We are just looking forward to see the first leg. Maybe after the first leg, Martin to pan on predictions. But now, man could believe me, whoever qualified deserves to qualify, and he will surely win the league, the Champions League.
Okay, I can tell you, ETM Atlético Madrid when you have played against Arsenal in the semi-final. Arsenal mira penyela bandiba. Group stage man da 4-0. Apart from like, but not repeatedly la. Playing Zibon la match man, it will be different.
No, it will be different because I got the same thing in there.
For sure.
Semi-final. Group stages man. Arsenal na ranye sharp kadiba man. Got the same Arsenal. Because Arsenal has mentality ma patching down. Because Blanca form Arsenal Blanca because one madam goal Cabazanti Sporting ka qualify Canada. Atletico Madrid Barcelona ka Atletico Madrid ka Canada. So Atletico Madrid ba team man Bisham ka lose against Arsenal in the Champions League group stages na kala lanya. And all this while man, but target ne pa kunyesha.
Champions League.
This is what the civil season.
What about Premier League?
Atletico Madrid can
Okay, you
hear.
are talking now. Okay, okay,
Because
okay.
Bichan Copa del Rey final, Real
Okay,
Sociedad,
yeah.
they are nowhere near the La Liga trophy. So, Ngoman Kupalem, the last hope.
Mizama bijana bizanyi bizanyi
And got will between that team and Mulene to the goals more. Definitely Atletico Madrid. Atletico Madrid might play a Shabani to the goals, more goals than Arsenal. Even though Arsenal might like defense in Atletico Madrid. The last match one, it will be a very interesting match. It will be a very interesting match. Last match one, never you know them behind Miara defending game the boy, but no, I don't see it to be that way because Ademola Lukman will do something and Julian Alvarez, Griezmann, and Co. It will be a good match. Arsenal me the manla a match against Newcastle man. Dang baby helan pela team map.
Yeah,
So
for
if
sure.
Kala dang baby and they make effect, then definitely be a number. Even though first leg man yellow Atletico Madrid pack, the second leg man Arsenal pack. But I see Atletico Madrid qualifying. Arsenal should focus on their Premier League.
Mami no bwele mu abisha akam no to nan den. Den to kunu ka diva semi final maybe ka tichang wan tidi inte ko Champions League ma final.
Banam Bono.
Arsenal.
No, the cook a problem, Shelly. Mami, at this point, when come na be competition, man, we might let chance no winning. So, has an Osaka chance go to change. So, out of 100%, 14, so I was 25% chance of winning it. So, don't papa shanga, won't pa finals and you do something. Malay me according to the way I see things. Because Ankat will ask me Newcastle game, man. And nsaku unil ma nsaku di goal man na gana sapu yan that's all the goals na ma because bisaku mi last short corner routine man ba bisa try them 2 times or so man kare we work before kala din ma
The man the club plan to
dribble and work right so biblan mi long ones this all ka mi short passes man so people na every ezemi kizanzel ko la outside the box ma short man mummi gbaza ha man lo sa de la down. We don't know how serious that injury is. So Ogbani and absent, it will definitely affect them. And got to high Arsenal defense man. Benda no strong. Sham some confidence na di lanka. Was confidence man and why Benda lose match shall against Man City man. Gabriel Kara in check that unvie ka di goal man. Kokulan jaka halang balance on di goal ya. So Arsenal defense man is not that strong again. So money personally, football means a game of 90 minutes. So Camelo predictions, man. I'm predicting Atletico Madrid to go to the final.
Okay.
Especially Arsenal to qualify.
Okay, to. Chaka tele World Cup ngo. Aka tele World Cup kunye dem bia around. En ka Ghana da nye ban nye new coach. As no zamba chanting me World Cup ma. 4 months cup to mbala wa o. Akpa mo punye pulo kala coach man to zangana pali.
That new coach, man, he's a BL legend, because no, I mean coach man, you mean Real Madrid.
The man that you coach, Italy be coach, even countries be coach.
How on I mean coach Portugal, and Portugal can World Cup. But the one already can record in the World Cup. And me, Batula, criteria shall be able to la loxia problem mvane ozanga na paga. Oden ma kunyela just qualify. To ozang magana ka to qualify group stages ma pone. Nwa den ka bazang tu. But lado no aden nang mandiri winye kara no very tough because considering group shall nothing bema. England kwenye a very big headache tetema. I'm very sure. Croatia, don't come managing a draw against Croatia. Kati Panama, we are good to go. Panama, I'm very certain. I'm very certain. No matter what, Ghana and Panama. I'm very sure about that one. So, Coach Muma, he's a legend of the game. Come having here to him because so many great talents like Cristiano Ronaldo and Nani Nema, because that was the time to manage Mama. So, on me player management, considering the squad woman the injuries man can connection because the best player certainly and Lucra going into the tournament, Mohamed Kudus has been injured all this while. So we are just hoping that to qualify ahead of the group stages. we don't have so much expectations. Then man, as fans of the Black Stars, three so much expectations from Zhangjiang to team Apollo, but play Kubarna to qualify, maybe Katichan round of 32. That's all.
Akwa phone like then you know to go like to group stages, like Bao been to chance maybe.
Oh no, uncle will qualify, uncle.
Like how much do you between the
Look, Ghana is
4
high
months
time.
phone could cover two
No, man, it's more or less an interim manager. Part-time job ko niya ma. Interim manager ka ba to. The pala permanent coach ka ba po. Anthony, you know, age match yang ya. So, one day we going to qualify your group stages. Man, have left me alone. One day to qualify in your group stages. O contract now we should let him go. But the chance to go coach na ko build a team at it. National team ga ba builder lam ho. So the two not we chance to go a young blood na ko build a team at it.
I will come look at young blood na can build a team.
But sometimes it helps.
Because intercourse can a young blood.
Problem man bala. Up to chances and scout and not lay head coach.
Ma coaching that, assistant coaching that.
Utuado was a scouter in Borussia Dortmund.
Assistant coaching that.
Utuado Daniel scouter. Assistant coach, I don't even know touchline.
No assistant coach them the touchline.
No, my some I will Pep Guardiola assistant.
Oh, Zulu young, my friend.
But more but sometimes Pep Linders going to kuji by Baku Chantra. And so speak to the scout and all league coach Gabani or perform. He was playing him scout of me. And Ankman Otuado ever since Unkana. Player call up Mauna, humiliate to happen. Player call up ma okum vala players ma vin yalanga. But how going to Zelba kabe me ball ma didn't your problem ma. Otuma ngo mili scouting the players. So dribble to nebukuro entirely. The two no na big man. Maybe we want to help by in the call up ma. But whatever be the case, Mumbono Agba can be with over full coaching staff, and we are just hoping that to qualify your group stages. We will still qualify your group stages. To me, Nigeria might be on level. No, Nigeria is one of the reasons why can cover not to qualify a group. Because the football ban, the way they will banter us, but not qualifying. It will there will something being a gata by my shed.
I've done to look for a matter of channel. You could participate
but $10 because my FIFA then don't cover prize money.
For sure,
they don't cover because there are rumors that they increase that prize money. So the $10 for participating. So that's good.
Okay, Uncle can I tell you things that you kupang da jani din ya first time bono kan ya video ni like am ka follow tin ya ban mai mo pom na titiya